Imagine a world where banking isn't just about visiting a branch or swiping a card. The future of banking is digital, intelligent, and seamless. From AI-powered financial advice to blockchain-secured transactions, banks are transforming how we save, spend, and invest. In this video, we'll break down the technologies shaping the next era of finance, explore how your money could work smarter for you, and reveal what the future of banking really looks like: faster, safer, and more personalized than ever before. Today, we will talk about the future of banking explained. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The banking sector, one of the oldest pillars of the global economy, is undergoing a profound transformation. From the traditional brick-and-mortar institutions to digital-first financial services, banking is no longer limited to physical branches or human tellers. The future of banking is being shaped by rapid technological innovations, evolving customer expectations, and regulatory changes that are redefining how money is managed, transferred, and invested. In the coming decade, the integration of artificial intelligence, blockchain, and digital platforms is expected to revolutionize every aspect of banking, from payments and lending to wealth management and cybersecurity. Understanding these changes is essential not only for financial professionals, but also for everyday consumers who will experience banking in entirely new ways. The rise of digital banking. Digital banking has already begun to redefine customer experience by offering convenience, speed, and accessibility. Unlike traditional banking, which relied heavily on in-person interactions, digital banking platforms allow customers to access services anytime and anywhere through smartphones or computers. Mobile apps now offer features such as instant money transfers, automated savings, bill payments, and even digital wallets. This trend is only accelerating as more consumers demand contactless, frictionless experiences. According to industry reports, digital banking users are expected to surpass 3 billion globally by 2030. Banks are also leveraging cloud computing to manage data efficiently, ensuring that services remain scalable and resilient, even as transaction volumes grow exponentially. The result is a banking ecosystem that is faster, more efficient, and more customer-centric than ever before. Artificial intelligence and predictive analytics. Artificial intelligence, AI, is set to become a cornerstone of modern banking, transforming both front-end customer interactions and back-end operations. AI-powered chatbots, for instance, can handle routine inquiries 24/7, reducing wait times and operational costs. Beyond customer service, predictive analytics enable banks to assess creditworthiness more accurately, detect fraudulent activity in real time, and personalize financial products for individual customers. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of transaction data to identify spending patterns, recommend investment strategies, and even predict potential financial risks before they occur. By integrating AI into decision-making processes, banks are shifting from reactive service models to proactive, predictive approaches that anticipate customer needs and market trends. Blockchain and decentralized finance, DeFi. Blockchain technology and decentralized finance are poised to disrupt traditional banking by removing intermediaries and enabling secure, transparent, and faster transactions. Blockchain's immutable ledger allows for real-time verification of financial transactions, reducing the risk of fraud and errors while improving efficiency. DeFi platforms go a step further, providing financial services like lending, borrowing, and investing without the need for a central bank or traditional institution. This shift has significant implications for global banking, particularly in regions where traditional banking infrastructure is weak or inaccessible. As blockchain adoption grows, banks will need to evolve from controlling financial networks to becoming facilitators of secure, decentralized systems. Smart contracts, tokenized assets, and cross-border payments are just the beginning of a banking landscape powered by decentralized technologies. Personalized banking and customer experience. In the future, banking will become highly personalized, catering to the unique financial goals, behaviors, and preferences of each customer. Through data analytics and AI, banks can offer tailored advice, customized investment portfolios, and even dynamic interest rates based on individual risk profiles. Personalization goes beyond products. It also extends to communication. For example, Banks may proactively alert customers about upcoming expenses, opportunities to save, or potential financial threats. This level of personalization fosters loyalty and trust, turning banks from transactional service providers into holistic financial partners. Furthermore, gamification and intuitive app interfaces are enhancing engagement, making financial management not just easier but also more enjoyable. Customers will increasingly expect banks to act like personal financial advisors accessible at their fingertips. Cybersecurity and risk management. As banking becomes more digital, cybersecurity is emerging as a critical concern. The proliferation of online services, digital wallets, and remote banking platforms has increased exposure to cyber attacks, data breaches, and identity theft. The future of banking will heavily rely on advanced security measures, including biometric authentication, multi-factor verification, AI-driven threat detection, and end-to-end encryption. Banks are also exploring quantum-resistant encryption techniques to prepare for the next generation of computing threats. In addition to technology, regulatory frameworks will play a crucial role in protecting consumer data and ensuring systemic stability. Effective risk management will require banks to adopt a proactive approach, combining technology, human oversight, and compliance to safeguard financial systems in an increasingly complex digital environment. Sustainable banking and ESG integration sustainability is becoming a key focus in the banking sector, as financial institutions recognize their role in addressing global environmental and social challenges. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria are increasingly integrated into lending and investment decisions. Banks are prioritizing green financing initiatives, such as funding renewable energy projects, supporting sustainable businesses, and issuing green bonds. Beyond ethical considerations, sustainable banking also aligns with long-term profitability, as investors and consumers increasingly favor institutions that demonstrate responsibility and transparency. Digital platforms make it easier for banks to track ESG metrics, report on impact, and engage stakeholders. In the coming years, sustainability will not just be a differentiator, but a core expectation for banks operating in a socially conscious and environmentally aware global economy. The role of central banks and regulation. The evolution of banking is not only driven by technology and consumer expectations, but also by central banks and regulatory authorities. Regulatory frameworks will continue to adapt to the digital age, addressing challenges such as cryptocurrency adoption, cross-border transactions, and anti-money laundering (AML) compliance. Central banks are experimenting with digital currencies, like the digital euro or digital yuan, which could redefine how money is issued, circulated, and regulated. These initiatives aim to enhance financial inclusion, reduce transaction costs, and provide governments with better control over monetary policy. At the same time, banks must navigate a complex web of international regulations to ensure compliance while fostering innovation. The future of banking will be defined by a delicate balance between technological progress, regulatory oversight, and consumer trust. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.